being an ISAF sailing World Cup event adds a lot of significance.
Everyone that's campaigning towards the Rio Olympics are here.
Yeah, it's been a lot of fun racing, a lot of girls here, so it's good competition.
And this is what I love the most. Go out there, tension on, and just show what you are made of.
I'm very excited. It's really good to win this race. It's one of the most important races of the World Cup, so I'm really happy. What can I say?
I think that was one of the closest races I've done in a long time, if not ever.
It's a World Cup, it's a strong fleet. They're some of the best races in the world around.
I love racing with all the guys. It's so competitive. They're great personalities. We're all friends together. It's the fierce battle, and the other side is helping each other. So nice to be part of it.
I think best week that all the sailors have ever seen of wind, weather, and it was very good.